control ourselves. Ngicela ungahambi nge-experience, right? Ungahambi nge-experience. Uzoyenza ama-mistakes amaningi. Ngicela ube in consultation always nomoya oyingcwele. Try as much as you can to be connected. Always connect. I'm telling you, angiyekwenza amaphutha. Instead umoya oyingcwele uzokhuluma la kuwe, akhulumise wena, ayuze wena as a mouthpiece, akhulume izinto ezokuphila ebantwini. Mama, ngiyakurecognize nawe. Ngiyakurecognize. Siyabonga, salute. Size mina namuhla it's a Proverbs day. Uthi uProverbs 1:28. Fools will call for me, but I will not answer. They will look for me, but they will never find me. That was one name. So, njengoba sisindisiwe asibhekeni singabiwi. Ngoba uNkulunkulu futhi Jesu uzosiphika, uzodalasazi. Fools will call for me, but I will not answer. Kuhlala kuyimiskolo. Umbiza so problem wenza izinto ngendlela yakho but usebenzisa igama lakhe. I-defamation. Ubaningi kunabafundisi. Bazalwane, we need to teach one another. Kunabafundisi bana namabhande lawa ne-chest baye so ane-stala anelihlo. Kunama-ring, ngicela ma-check, I think no-T.D. Jackson ngibona ngakuyifakile. So asidiseneni. Let's have that spirit. So uthi mina nginenhlanhla uNkulunkulu kunala kunezinto engafanelanga ngizibone akangibonisi izona. Kunabantu angakhuluma ngingamuzwa ukuthi uthini. Kusho ukuthi loyo muntu loyo is not alive. Remember ukuthi kunezwi elithi baningi abathi inkosi bangekubona. Bangakike abashumayela ngegama lakhe kodwa balibiza njengoba linjalo lona leBhayibheli, but the interpretation or the mind behind it's not to God. So let us be careful. Laba abanye banala mathathu. Bazalwane, I know ezinye izinto we want to fit in, but asibe careful. Bafundisa abantwana as young as he is ukuthi don't think about tattoos because you're inviting spirits ongawazi. Uzojoyina izinto ongazazi. Remember thina njengami at the age engiyo nginokuthi ngikhulekela ama principalities bese ngithi mangikhuleka ngithi ngicela ukuthi withdraw igama lami la okhokho bami balibiza khona bayenza ama rituals so that I don't become part of that. Ngingabi as much as ngikule lineage but mina ngibe owakho ngingasaqhubeki nalamasiko lawe because mina I choose you God. Ngiyazi bazalwane. No, amen. Mina benami nomtholi futhi ngijwayele. Uma yesengithinta abantu sengithinta abantu la bangafuni. Bazalwane njengoba ngikhuluma so ngisukumisa inceku ezosinikeza izwi. Though uma ngiqeda masimsukumisa, let's have a song. Ngicela asibe nalento ngaphakathi yokuthi we need to sing for the Lord.
Yes.
As bengikhuluma nabo sisibanga ngikhuluma nabo ngithi esontweni umqamelo ngishoda ngale nsimbi tiki ngishoda ngayo and usisi wami uthi kufanele uthole nepempele yabo refu. Yes, la sizogruva khohlwane nina nama-guitar nama-drums mara given a chance umfana lo at his age ngifuna ukuthi ngithole le drum eligcokisiwe yalibona. Ngiyantshela bazalwane, I was talking to my siblings, masihlangene thina unfortunately asifani namanye ama-families. Bakhona ama-family I pray ukuthi ngathi bangaba nokubuyisana, bakhona ukuhlala babona. Ngifike lapha ngo-11 bengithi ngidlula ngiyabingelela but ngisuke ngo-4. Batshelile ngathi mina la emzinyweni ngathi kusenyokeni umuntu angafika khona phambili nabo umuntu uyahamba bathi ungahambi nawo ma-cashews. It's a sign of love though. Noma bona bebathi bangibribe ukuthi ngihlale much longer. UJoshua 1 verse 5, just as I was with Moses, I will be with you. No one will be able to stop you all your life. I will not abandon you. I will never leave you. Ngifuna ukuthi kulaba ebalahlekelwa yihlobo, balahlekelwa abangani, balahlekelwa abazali, ne? This is not the end. This is the time yokubonisa mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uthathe lo muntu omthandayo because ufuna ukuchecka wena. This is a sacrifice. Abraham lethi indodana yakho iza nayo uze nezinkulu. So i-sacrifice uNkulunkulu angayifuna ngithi nguye umuntu oprescribe. Athi this time angizokutshela ukuthi letha umntwana wakho because ungaletha umntwana wakho ungaze ukuyekela. Iza ngithathe lo mntwana so that wena uzosonela ufuna wena akanga replace lo mntwana in so many ways. Mangabe wena ukuthi inzalo ayisekho kuwe bekanga ayiphinda phinde komunye la eduze